so it's been about 72 hours since I spray paint this cup. So now we are going to apply our glitter glue and apply our glitters. These other glitters I use them below. My gold ones are from Posh Glitter. They are in the color Blush and Lush. And then there's a black one. And the black one, I forgot where I got it from, but I will leave a link down below because I did use it in another Tumbler video. And I found where I got it from because I know a lot of people have trouble finding a black glitter that still shines after epoxy. A lot of it looks like it kind of turns to tar, just solid black. The shine goes away. This one still sparkles, so I will leave that below for you guys. And yeah, first what we're gonna do is we are going to apply our glitter glue all over our cup. So here's my glitter glue, and I'm gonna apply it with my Mod Podge brush right there. That is damp as always. And you're gonna apply a pretty good amount. Let me move this so we don't drop any glue on that, so our glitter won't stick. And just start getting your glitter glue all over your cup. Don't forget your bottom. Alright, and then you want to work pretty quickly, so I'm going to just jump right in and start glittering. And I'm going to start with my black. And we are just going to sprinkle that on. Don't forget your bottom. And as always, I do angle my cup when I'm doing like an ombre. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of angling it. So it kind of fades down. And then we're going to do same over here. Make sure we get that bottom good. And then just start to angle it and turn it. Then we're going to jump into our gold. I'm going to start with the Lush. That's the chunkier one. And we are going to pour that right in the middle. And then you can start to kind of tilt it so it falls down. And do the same to the other way. There's that one. And then I'm going to go in with my finer one to kind of blend them together more. And that is going to be in the color Blush. And we're just going to do the same thing. Sprinkle that over. This is what it's looking like. And then you would just kind of go back and forth between the colors to kind of blend them together. Like so. And then we're going to let this dry for at least 2 hours. Hey guys, so we are back with this Gold Burst tumbler. It's been drying for probably 6 hours since I put my glitter glue on and glitter. And if you want, this is an optional step. You could take a 6000 spray to spray it and seal your glitter in. But since this is a ombre, you technically don't have to because I don't mind the glitters mixing together since it is an ombre. If you are doing just like a striped tumbler or you want solid lines, I would suggest doing E6000 spray first and then sealing it again with your glitter glue. So I have my glitter glue here, and I'm just going to apply a pretty generous amount. And then I have my Mod Podge brush, and it's damp like always, and we are just going to start fully covering this tumbler. And I kind of go in all, up and down, side to side, just to really make sure everything is covered. Alright, and then we're just going to let this dry. If you notice you have some glitter sticking up after the 1 hour mark, you could come and you could smush your glitter down. People do that usually with a credit card, or you could take parchment paper and just roll this in parchment paper. So my glitter, I got pretty good, so I might not have to do that. I might still do it. If I do, you will see it. If I don't, you won't see it. But yeah, that's also a trick to do to really make sure the glitter is laying flat. Okay, you guys, so we have 4 layers of BT on this cup, and now we're just gonna sand it. I'm using, of course, 400 grit sanding block. And we're just gonna start sanding, and then we're gonna go in with our Dremel and get the top part of our tumbler edged pretty good. And yeah. Now for this part, I just hold it kind of at an angle, and then I just turn my cup just like this. It just gives it a very nice clean edge. And then you just take a damp cloth, clean all the dust and stuff off. And then you're just gonna go in and apply your BT layers. And again, we're gonna do 3 to 4 coats. Main focus right now is getting it as smooth as we can. And since I did use chunky glitter, it's gonna take more layers than finer glitter. Alright, y'all, now we're going to put this on the spinner. We're going to let it spin for an hour, let it rest for 3 hours, and do that. And then apply more BT, and then we're going to repeat that process 2 to 3 more times. Okay, so this is the leopard print that I printed out. I just got this off of Etsy, I believe from Leopard Print Designs. I will leave the link down below if you want this exact one. And then I take my weeding tool and I just pick up a piece of leopard spot that I want, and I place mine individually on my cup. If you want, you could just take transfer tape, cut it to the size you need, and do it like that. I like to hand place mine just to get the look I want. So yeah, I do this, and then I just kind of find a spot on my cup and I would just place it. There's no real trick to it. I just kind of try to rotate my spots. See how this one goes down. I'll have one go to the side, then one go up. I don't want them all facing open in the same side. Then I'll throw in some full circles and spots in between to fill. And then yeah, I'll basically just continue that around the gold spot of my cup. And then I will show you guys how it looks. All right, you guys, so now I kept looking at it and I'm like, there's something I don't like about it. And I think because I didn't bring the leopard print down far enough, this just looks a little too big for my liking, too much black. Like this was smaller, just uneven. So what I decided to do was add a decal to it. So I'm gonna add a name to the cup. We're gonna just put it right here on the bottom. I have it layered, as you guys can see, with black and gold vinyl. I do have videos on how I do my offset text. I will have them linked down below for you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this, and I thought it would look nice like at the bottom of the cup, like right here. And then we're gonna smush that down. It's just gonna kind of fill in this bottom part so it doesn't look as off. So boom. And then we are going to just add our BT to this and continue to add BT until it is smooth.